Welcome back, first grade. This week we're going to start talking about possessive nouns. So we know what a noun is. A noun is a person, place, or thing. So this week we're going to talk about possessive noun. These nouns belong to someone else. And you're going to see what I mean when we get into our lesson today. So, welcome to Clean Class TV. So I have a little bit of a fun presentation to help us learn what is a possessive noun. So let's get started. I'm here to help you clean your classroom. So here's our classroom. So all of these things in this classroom belong to certain people, and we need to clean up and get these things back to these people. So here we go. Look at the mess. This is Mrs. Smith's mug. The mug belongs to Mrs. Smith. So this is what we're talking about when we're talking about possessive nouns. This mug belongs to Mrs. Smith. Therefore, it's Mrs. Smith's mug. It is her mug. So we put an apostrophe S. Say that word with me. Apostrophe. Say it again. Apostrophe. So this week we're going to get very familiar with what an apostrophe is. When we have an apostrophe, it shows ownership, that something belongs to that person. So this mug belongs to Mrs. Smith. This could say this is Miss Gates's mug. This is Shamari's mug. Depending on who it is, it tells us who it belongs to. So let's look at another one. This is Lisa's book. Who does the book belong to? The book belongs to Lisa. I'm going to move myself up so you can see the sentences. Let's look at another one. These are the boys' cars. Who do the cars belong to? The boys. And since this word boys is more than one, we're talking about 2 boys or 3 boys or 4 boys, the apostrophe comes after. We're just going to focus on one person this week to get the hang of the apostrophe, but as you get older, you might start to see the apostrophe coming after the S. This is Tony's cap. Who does the cap belong to? Tony. So the apostrophe and the S show ownership. Tony owns this cap. This cap belongs to Tony. This is the apostrophe. Everybody say that word again. Great job. Apostrophe. This is not a comma. This is an apostrophe. The apostrophe goes up high. The apostrophe shows possession or ownership. When something belongs to someone else, we have to use an apostrophe. How do we use an apostrophe to show ownership or possession? Here are a couple rules. We're going to start with just singular. Singular means one. Click on the singular noun. So remember, a singular noun does not end with an S. So table is singular, boy is singular, bird is singular, window is singular. Remember, singular nouns are just one thing. We talked about that earlier in the year. Plural means more than one. So plural nouns usually end with a S. You got it, like pencils, bags, and kids. More than one. So I'm going to go over the first set of rules, and then we're going to practice a little bit today. For all singular nouns, add apostrophe S to the end of the word, even if the word ends in an S. Lisa becomes Lisa's. Bus becomes buses. So you can see here, when we want to show ownership, we're going to practice this week adding an apostrophe S. So you're going to try this in your Being a Writer workbook today, and we're going to talk lots about it this week. So if you're still a little questioning, that's okay. This is just an introduction to possessive nouns. Good luck.